Welcome to this free prompt engineering course. AI is only as smart as the instructions you give it. The right prompt turns a mediocre answer into a genuinely useful one. It's one of the most valuable skills a student can build today. Watch what happens. Ask the AI to explain Python programming, and you get a vague, unfocused wall of text. Now look right. Give it a role, an audience, a clear format, and a limit, and the answer comes back sharp, structured, and actually helpful. Inside, you'll master setting roles using examples, chain of thought reasoning, output formatting, and real-world prompt patterns. Everything is hands-on with a live prompt playground, completely free, and you'll earn a free certificate to add to your resume. Ready to level up? Start the free prompt engineering course today at FreeAcademy.ai. Practice real prompts hands-on, build a skill employers want, and earn your certificate. Let's begin.